agencies set up websites and other means to provide information to the public. Well, citizens themselves, especially those involved in making websites, would welcome that provision because that would provide a livelihood and employment to them. And of course, citizens actually wouldn't want to go to government agencies as much as possible. We only go to government agencies to obtain permits, seek licenses. So we have very specific objectives when we go to government agencies. And citizens always follow procedures. So in much the same way as other rules or laws, there would be procedures laid down by the law and by the implementing rules of the law. So it would I do not predict that there would be abuse because there would be procedures and processes to be laid out by the agencies when implementing the law. In the United States, actually they have a website for people who wish to make a request for information. It's the same case as in Australia. So that maybe the government could just provide such portals where any citizen in the Philippines or abroad to enable them to make a request for information. I'm sure the process would be, if the process would be clear, and at the same time would also ask for requisites for every request, we would be able to separate the nuisance requests from the real requests, from the valid requests.
To continue, Madam Chair, kasi yun lang naman, no? Kasi pag naririnig kong kausap, if they find out that I'm one of those pushing for this measure in this Congress, sinasabi lang nila kasi paano naman yun? Halimbawa, within seconds, di ba, kakalat ka agad yung information. No? For example, paano kung halimbawa malicious? So, how can, for example, hindi naman public official or whoever, one person, how can he defend himself, lalo na kung with the new media right now, kasi pag media talaga, kumbaga may accountability raw sila, mayroong responsibility. So, ito lang naman yung mga apprehensions of those who are anti-FOI. So, can you give us some suggestions or para lang at least alam din natin kung paano natin maisama man lang, no, if we can consider this point so that we can probably add and satisfy those anti-FOI advocates.
Senator, I think the public, whether online or offline, are waiting eagerly for government to make disclosures. And Filipinos are not selfish in giving commendations when we see outstanding work being made by a government official. For example, Secretary Robredo was an outstanding local government official, loved by so many Filipinos. If because of the FOI, we would discover that there are more Robredos around in government, Filipinos would praise them. Right now, there's a shortage in good news coming from government. Good news and information.
But Madam Chair, Tonya, sorry to kasi hindi naman nagsisell ang good news di ba? So, these are realities, hindi naman sa dinidepensa ko. Don't get me wrong, I'm really for the passage of this bill. But of course, you have to help us also explain to those who are against this, about their apprehensions para naman yung ma-address din natin yung ganito mga problema.
Senator JV, thank you. I understand what you feel. Perhaps what I'm saying is, actually having been the head of the MTRCB, where we